Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how you can reset your system or laptop without admin rights. So without admin rights, you have the only options to go into the recovery mode, and you can go to the settings here, and then you will see here system. Scroll down and look for the options recovery, and thereafter you will see the options advanced startup. When you click on this reset this PC from here, it may directly ask you the administrator password. You can click on the option restart, and this will launch the advanced recovery startup mode. You can give it a try. After that, you will see the options like this. Click on troubleshoot and then click on reset this PC, and then choose the options according to your need. Keep my files will remove all the install apps, but will keep your personal data like files and videos. But if you choose remove everything, it will delete all the install program as well as the personal files and apps. So you can try this way, and if once you launch this screen, it may ask you again the password. In that case, you have left the last option, and that is make bootable pen drive and fresh install the same operating system of your on your Windows or on your system. So you can bypass this with the help of this step. But if step is not working on your Windows, you can make a bootable pen drive of same operating system, backup your all the data and application data as well as the Windows key, and thereafter you should able to reset your PC. So this is the video guys, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.